With the snow melting, the road becomes muddy, which results in equipment getting stuck. This uses Ukraine's drone army to their favor and destroy these equipment getting stuck. While a drone striking a supply truck from the front, the engine was definitely damaged, but the truck wasn't completely destroyed, so a secondary drone came in. This one cleverly circled around and hit the fuel tank of the truck, creating a fire which can spread through the truck, turning it into scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.